Let me guess, everyone watching this video want to learn faster. Not just study harder, not just watch more videos, not just collect more books you never finish. You want to learn faster than most people around you. Whether your goal is to cook better, build a business, make more money, speak better, create content, or simply understand life deeper, there is one skill that quietly controls everything. The skill of learning. And I know what you're probably thinking. I've been learning my whole life. I went to school, I read books, I watch tutorials. I think I know how to learn. But here's the painful truth. Most of us were never actually taught how to learn. We were taught to memorize, we were taught to pass exam, we were taught to listen to the teachers, to read more books, and repeat information. But nobody sat us down and said, this is how your brain absorbs things. This is how you improve fast. This is how you don't waste years trying to master one skills. So in this video, I want to give you this formula. Not motivation, not some vague advice, just trying to be consistent, but a practical framework to learn almost anything faster than most people. The first principle is the 80-20 rules. Most of your result comes from a small part of your effort. In learning, this is everything. Because most people waste too much time trying to learn everything at once. They want to learn language, so they memorizing random words, complicated grammar, and textbook rules they will barely use. But the faster way, learn the most common word first. Learn basic sentence structure. Learn how people actually speak in real life. That small 20% will give you most of the result. Same with learning English. You don't need to memorize the entire dictionary on day one. Start with common words, basic sentence, simple conversation, daily listening, speaking badly first. Master the basics and suddenly you are ahead of most people who say they want to be fluent but are too embarrassed to start. And this formula applies to everything. You want to get better at content? Don't start with cinematic lighting, fancy transition, and complex editing. Start with hook, structure, clarity, retention. You want to get fit? Don't start with supplements, fancy programs, and debating the perfect workout splits. Again, start with the basics. Walking, protein, sleep, progressive overload. Most people don't fail because learning is hard. They fail because they focus on the wrong things. They spend 80% of their energy on things that only create 20% of the result. So the first cheat code is this. Find the few fundamentals that move everything else. Master that first. Second principle. This might sound weird. If you want to learn faster, you need to fail faster. I know it sounds wrong because most people think learning means avoiding failure. But actually, failure is where learning happens. If you post on social media and every single video gets 1 million views from day one, what did you learn? Nothing. You got lucky maybe, but you didn't learn. Because learning only begins when something doesn't work. You miss the shot, then you adjust your form. You say the wrong words, then you remember it next time. You make a bad video, then you finally understand why people drop off after 3 seconds. Failure gives you feedback. And feedback is the raw material of an improvement. So instead of trying to look smart, try to expose your weakness quickly, that's the real game. The learning cycle is simple. Do the thing, fail at something, reflect on what went wrong, get better information, try again. Keep repeating that until improvement becomes inevitable. And there's one powerful method for this, especially for studying. It's called active recall. For example, you want to learn about World War. Most people open the book, highlight everything, and feel productive. But highlighting is not learning. The real test is this. Close the book, then ask yourself, can I explain this in my own words? And then you pretend you're teaching it to someone else. The moment you got stuck, that's your gap. That's the exact thing you need to study next. So instead of reading for 3 hours and realizing you remember nothing, you force your brain to fail every few minutes. That's why active recall works. It turns learning from passive consumption into active struggle. And active struggle is where the memory builds. Still don't understand what I'm trying to say? Basically, you gotta learn paraphrasing. Now, the third principle is very ironic. If you want to learn faster, you gotta slow down. I know it sounds very stupid. You click on a video about learning fast and now I'm telling you to slow down. But this is the paradox. Trying to learn everything at once makes you slower. Focused learning is what you want. Focused learning makes you faster. Your brain is like your body. It has limits. You cannot train chest, legs, back, shoulder, arms, cardio, and mobility at the maximum intensity every single day and expect to recover. Your brain works the same way. If you're learning cooking and in one session you try to master knife skills, seasoning, sauce, boiling pasta, grilling, plating, baking, you will improve a tiny bit in everything, but you won't actually master anything. Now compare that to focusing on just one thing. Today, you only practice grilling chicken. The timing, the texture, the mistake, the correction. That one skill improve much faster. Then tomorrow, you move to the next one. And this is how mastery is built. One focus layer at a time. Want to learn chess? Master one opening before trying to memorize 10 strategies. Want to be a better speaker? Master pausing and clarity before trying to sound deep. Want to create better videos? Master the 5 seconds before obsessing over the entire production. Most people are slow because they are scattered. They confuse motion with progress. They touch everything but they master nothing. So, slow down. Pick one skill, train it deeply, make it automatic, then move to the next. And that's how you become dangerously good. But all these principles will mean nothing if you forget this one thing, mindset. I know it sounds cheesy like an Instagram quotes, but you gotta be genuinely believe that you can change. This is called the growth mindset. The belief that your current level is not your final level. You may be bad now, you may be slow now, you may look stupid now, but that doesn't mean you're stuck there. It only means you're at the beginning. If you want to master something, your belief needs to be almost irrational. You need to believe, I can figure this out. Not because it's easy, but because you done it before. Think about it. You learn to walk, you learn to talk, you learn to read, you learn to write. You were not born with any of those skills. You struggle, you repeat, you failed, you adjusted, and now you don't even think about it anymore. So why would these new skills be different? The only difference is that now you're older, so you're more self-conscious and more afraid of looking dumb. That's the real enemy, not your talent, not your intelligence, not your age. Your ego is the enemy because your ego hates being a beginner. But mastery always starts with being a beginner. And if the skill really matters to you, you don't just learn it casually. Immerse yourself in it. Think about it in the shower, think about it before sleeping, think about it when you're stuck in traffic, think about it when you're bored. Because the people who master things are not always the smartest. They're usually the most obsessed. They keep coming back. They keep asking better questions. They keep rewinding the same thing until it finally clicks. So if you want to learn anything faster, remember this. Don't learn everything. Learn the important thing first. Don't avoid failure. Fail fast and then extract the lesson. Don't rush 10 skills at once. Slow down and master one layer at a time. And most importantly, you gotta believe that your current self is not your final form. Because learning fast has nothing to do with your IQ. It's about having the right system. And once you understand the system, everything becomes learnable. And remember this, in the end, the most dangerous person in a room is not the smartest one. It's the one who knows how to keep learning. Stay classy.